In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to place your image, and the best way to choose the file that looks great and loads fast. First, open the ClickFunnels page editor for the specific funnel step you want to work on. Think of the editor as your canvas. If your layout isn't set up yet, it helps to create a clear structure before adding visuals. Add a section to define a horizontal area, then add a row inside it. Rows can have columns, which make it easier to control where your image sits relative to other elements like headlines or buttons. This step is optional, but it keeps your design clean and responsive across devices. Inside the row or column where you want the image to appear, click the orange Add New Element button. A panel will open with different element types. Find the media category and select the image element. Drag the image element into place on your page. You can always move it later, so don't worry if you're still experimenting with layout. Once the image element is in place, click directly on it, or click the gear icon on the element to open its settings. In the Settings panel, look for the Image option and click the image icon or the Upload button. This opens your image library. Here, you have a few choices. You can upload a new image from your computer. ClickFunnels accepts common formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, SVG, and WEBP. As a quick tip, use JPG for photos to keep file sizes smaller, PNG for graphics that need transparency, SVG for simple logos or icons that scale crisply, and WEBP if you want modern compression and faster loading. Keep your file size as lean as possible to help your page load quickly. If you've already uploaded images in the past, you can select one from your library. This is great for keeping your brand consistent, since you can reuse logos, product shots, or background images across multiple pages. Depending on the version of the editor you're using, you may also see options to search royalty-free images or try AI generation. These tools can be handy for placeholder visuals or quick inspiration. Always make sure any image you choose aligns with your brand and is appropriate for commercial use. After you've chosen your image, it will appear in the element you placed. You can drag the element to fine-tune its position and adjust its size in the settings. That's it. You've added an image in ClickFunnels with a clean, flexible workflow.